What will happen if I tell you now that money is not everything? This society has made us believe one thing, the best thing is money. But you ask yourself once, think about it. When you were little at that time, money was of no importance in the world of children. There was some strange desire. Wanted to fly with butterflies. Hour after hour, ate in the rain. I heard a lot of reprimands from my father. When we were little, I did these things not for money or not to be the first. I would rather play till evening. I would love everyone like a beautiful dream. But when you get a little older, everyone become an alien. Try to walk up you. When you are not way walk, then he slapped me. Paintbrush discount, hold the book here. Then everyone fell behind you to make you so great. Then everyone agrees, pushed you away in the middle of the rat race. The richest of all, successful from everyone, the best of all, for the purpose of making everyone perfect. When you are happy, the bank will judge by the number of balances, quite different from childhood. When our minds, it was very selfless. Now you call me impractical. But listen, I will never say that money is not important. Money is very necessary thing. But that to fill the stomach, to survive, now you say, brother, does not cry on the street. Crying is much better in Audi or BMW. Hey brother, the pain is the pain. So grateful because you are crying even after being successful. And if you are my proof, I made the video for you today. You with money. You can fulfill all your hobbies, but happiness has nothing to do with you. Think of that little kid without knowing anything, without realizing it. The rat started running. I want to get your busy life out of that case, building on imagination. Marketing 9 to 5 job, wanting to leave everything and come out. She is holding her breath and wants to leave. Be a friend, look after yourself, and you will tell everything, understanding where the pain is. It is slowly becoming a living corpse. He has no purpose in life. Those moments when he was very happy. The work that we love to do, maybe that work is very risky, but that work was very dear to him. Think of that little time. Think of something immature. The moment you were happy, think of it as work. You do not do it for money, your own happiness, for your own pleasure. I was happy with I had. So friend, think about that job. That work will make you happy, a career of the leap will bring a smile. 15 to 16 years from now, when you do your job, then it seems like every day that I played on the field, like that little. You know, one more thing, that money, everything can be bought, but not happy. If you like the video, please like it. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to get the next video.